Y'all, this wig looks so clean and beautiful. I am absolutely loving the texture of this hair.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up.
It is a Yaki straight texture, but this feels like a relaxed Yaki straight, which is one of my favorite textures as far as kinky straight and Yaki straight hair is concerned. I think it looks so good. The wig literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp because it has this clean HD hairline. It was so easy to install this wig, but it looks so freaking seamless and flawless. And can we get into how thick this hair is? Like, look at how thick this hair is. Like, if you want to have a ponytail on this wig, because this is a 360 wig, that's how thick the ponytail is going to be. This is 180% density, which is crazy to me. It is 22 inches long, but she's long, okay? She's going all the way down to my hips. Because this is a 360 wig, you can literally rock this wig half up, half down, all the way up in a high bun or ponytail. You're definitely gonna want to glue or spray down the back of this wig though, because it does have a lot of lace in the back, as you could see right here. I did have it up in a claw clip earlier when I was doing my makeup, and I thought that looked super cute. So you could definitely rock this wig up in a claw clip if you would like. She's super flat up top, and the lace and the hairline are so flawless. Like, where is the lace, baby? Like, where does it start? If you love Yaki straight hair, you're going to love this one. It moves so beautifully. Like, sometimes the Yaki straight, it doesn't move as silky as like silky hair, but this one has a lot of movement to it. And this hair feels heavier than usual, but not too heavy. I can feel the density of this wig. It is a lot of hair on this wig, especially for 180%. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you doing? Click that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you would like to see how I installed this gorgeous Yaki straight 360 wig from OMGQueen hair, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. Luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far
So I just finished my makeup. I did film an updated flawless base routine for you guys. So if you're interested in checking that out, definitely click the card up top. But let's go ahead and style this wig though. She's so cute. Like the texture of this hair is really pretty. And I don't know how this is only 22 inches because baby, like I feel like some brands 22-inch is like here. And then other brands, it literally almost touches my butt. This wig already looks super cute, so I'm gonna keep a middle parting, just kind of how it's already styled. I'm just gonna perfect it a little bit. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this wax stick. Next, I'm gonna take my spritz, and then I'm gonna take my hot comb, and we're gonna get this flat on the top. The texture of this hair is really nice. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of this Kerastase elixir. This is just a hair oil from them. It smells so freaking good. And I'm going to run this down the hair. It's a heat protectant and it also is like a finishing oil and it smells amazing. So yeah. All of that combined, you'll be obsessed with it if you don't have it already. Then I'm gonna take my Chi flat iron with this rat tail comb, and y'all know what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to go over the hair and re-straighten it. It's already really pretty. Why individually like go through the hair and spend so much time when it already looks good? Like I just need to go over the top of it a little bit. And then I'm gonna do the same on this side. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and run it down this parting. And then I'm going to take a little bit of hairspray. This is the Sebastian's Shaper Plus. And I'm just going to put it on the top to get rid of any flyaway hairs. So this is the finished look, y'all. I think this wig install turned out super cute. It definitely has me feeling chic, sophisticated, super cute. I am ready to head out the door for date night. If y'all are interested in checking out this wig, I'm gonna leave a link down below to Oh My God Queen hair. I also have some coupon codes for you guys, so be sure to check that out so you can get a better deal on this wig. And if you're interested in the makeup tutorial for this look, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the box right here. It's my updated flawless base routine and it's so good, you don't want to miss it.